Chapter number 5. As you know that if you are able to know that a particular availability of a flight in a particular class on a particular date, the command which we have already used is neutral availability command, that is AN with the syntax of date and city pair. We have already used in the previous chapters. So let's start how to hold or book particular class seats and how many number of seats can be hold on in this Amadeus system. So the entry code cell seat SS is used to hold or book a particular class of a seat with the number of seats. So let us start with viewing the neutral availability command, that is AN, on 12th of June between Frankfurt to Nice. This is for flight availability as shown on the screen, in which there are two are direct flights and two are via flights, Frankfurt Geneva and Geneva Nice, while the first line number 1, line number 2 is Frankfurt to Nice direct flights. So you are able to see that first two lines of the flight is taking 1.5 hours, while third and fourth is taking 2 hours and 50 minutes. Now, if we want to book or hold a one seat in club class on the flight that departs at 16:25, so we have to see which flight is departing on 16:25, and we are able to see that line number 2 flight, which is Lufthansa 4390, is departing on 16:25 from Frankfurt to Nice. So, and we have to also check that whether in club class number of seats are available or not. So here we are able to see C9 means there are 9 seats available in club class, Frankfurt to Nice departing on 16:25. So the syntax is cell seat, how many seats? 1 seat, which class? C class, and we don't have to give whole detail if you have used the Amadeus neutral availability command. We can only give the line number 2, and by this we can hold a seat in club class. As you are able to see that which flight we were mentioning, this Lufthansa 4390, 12 June, Frankfurt to Nice, 16:25 departure and 17:55 arrival time. Both are local time. So each flight reservation is represented by air segment. The digit 1 indicate the flight element of the particular reservation system. Now IG command is used to ignoring the previous retrieved data. To learn more, now let's again neutral ability on 25th of April from Zurich to Vienna. So there is some error. So neutral availability 21 APR, Zurich ZRH, and Vienna VIE. Now we are able to see that there are 8 flights showing Zurich to Vienna flight, starting from 715 hours to 1330 hours departure time. Now we have to book one seat, so we have to sell one seat. So SS command again, one seat in Y. The flight departing arriving at Vienna 10:35. So you have to see which flight is arriving at Vienna at 10:35. So now we have two flight which is arriving at 10:35, and we have to book Y class. So either serial number 3 or serial number 4 can be booked, but we have to check that which airline having Y class. So here I am able to see that SR004 having 9 uh, Y class seats, while OS 004 is also having 4 seats. So let's give 3. Then flight seats are on hold. HK is indicating that you are going to get a confirmed seat. Now let us ignore. Assume a client plan to travel on 31st of August, Barcelona to Paris. This is a neutral availability from Barcelona to Paris, and Paris or Paris Orly, both airport as mentioned. Now we have to book 2 seats, cell seat 2 in Y class, the flight departing at 13:25. 13:25, line number 4. So here we HK2 means 2 seats on confirmation which is available have been booked. So each flight segment show airline code, flight number, date, origin destination city code, destination city code, confirmation status, then departure time, arrival time, of course check-in time 1 hour before to that or 45 minutes. Equipment code, that is Boeing 737, and meal code. Also, it will tell you that which terminal the flight will arrive at Charles de Gaulle, that is Terminal 2D. Now display again, neutral availability on 14th of March between Munich to all London. So, as you know that in London there are many international airports, London Heathrow, London Gatwick, London Stansted. The 3 airports are connected. So London Gatwick and London Heathrow and London Stansted. Now we have to book 4 seats in H class flight that depart at 10:30. So we have 10:30 flight which is departing from Munich and reaching to LHR, that is line number 4. So you see that Lufthansa Munich to LHR 4